Hello everybody, it's Emily here with some huge news. For the past 6 months or so, you've been watching and learning online as I teach you how to make jewelry on our YouTube channel. And I'm so excited to announce that we are finally bringing back our famous Sunday's Findings Crash Course, where you learn all the basics of jewelry making. So we learn how to do basic wire wrappings, in which we make double drop earrings. We learn how to do pearl knotting when we make bracelets, such as these. And you learn how to string on soft flex wire and make necklaces. Now, all of these things are skills are transferable. You're not just learning how to make 3 pieces of jewelry, you're learning the fundamentals of jewelry making, and truly your imagination is the limit. And I'm so excited to be able to work with everybody communally around a table, one-on-one, to learn all of these basic skills. Now we are allowing 4 people per class to keep some social distancing going on, and you will be required to wear a mask for the entire duration of the class and while you are in the store. We have 2 dates added for August, and we'll be adding more as supplies come in. And if you miss those dates, we're just going to keep adding them so you could keep checking back online. And basically, I just can't wait to see everybody in person. But by all means, keep watching our videos online, and I'll keep adding those as I can. Can't wait to see you, and have a wonderful weekend.